Halo teman-teman, masih bertemu dengan saya Hepit Game in the Game. Oke, pada video kali ini kita akan melanjutkan game Judgment, di mana di video sebelumnya kita sudah bertemu dengan Matsugaden, tapi dia memperingatkan kita untuk tidak mencari-cari Hamura, tapi ya seperti yang kalian tahu, kita tetap kekeh untuk mencari Hamura. Dan di video kali ini kita akan mencoba untuk ke aman. Tapi itu kayaknya video yang beberapanya, yang video sebelumnya kita sudah menyusup ke Matsugane, ke kantornya, dan untuk mencari informasi Hamura berada di mana. Dan katanya dia itu bentar ya, katanya dia itu katanya dia itu di tempat perjudian, tapi kita tidak tahu tempat judi yang dia pakai itu di mana. Dan kita langsung aja ke lemar, di mana tempat yang dimiliki oleh salah satu polisi kotor aja. Dan kita langsung aja coba ke sana ya. Tanpa basa-basi lagi, kita langsung aja masuk ke gamenya. Oke, kita sudah di gamenya dan langsung saja kita menuju ke lemar. Itu nggak jauh-jauh amat sih. Dan juga paling kita akan coba sedikit demi sedikit untuk menambah pertemanan di game ini. Motobayashi-san, Motomura, Muramoto-san kah?
Nani?
Topinya harus mengsong gitu ya.
世の中のこその二文字の置きどころ、収まるもこそ乱るるもこそ。ありがとう。Bener ya teman-teman. Arigato.
Well, akhirnya kalian deh misi darah. Mumpung dikasih ini kan, kita kelarin yang ini, nanti ambil yang lain.
Maitta na.
Ikinaristik. Oke, berarti gue tinggal ningkatin yang lainnya nih. Setidaknya minimal 30 lah yang kita ambil. Wah, bentar nih. Nih. Gue scroll ke bawah. Oh. Cuma ini doang sih. Di sini udah kelar. Berarti tinggal restoran mana yang belum kelar ya? Yang udah kelar kan yang beef, bukan beef ini. Oh, nah ini udah kelar nih. Oh, udah semuanya. Tinggal kita fokus ke yang lain dulu paling. Udah kelar. Berburgeran ya. Coba deh. Berarti restorannya udah kelar itu sini udah. Jadi paling ke ini belum sih. Ya kan? Yang kuadra itu belum kan? Yo, kurang ini satu. Sama ya ini dua itu. Oke deh, kapan-kapan nanti juga tahu. Lemon. Bentar, ini kita dapat chat dari siapa? Oh, Nanami. Nanti deh. Biarin aja dulu. Karena kalau gua respon terus nanti malah makin lama kelarnya.
Got it.
Let's go. Oke. Halo Mayura.
Fucking shit, look at the ass on her.
Malah ngeliat apa ini orang coba.
Hey, sorry to interrupt.
What do you want?
Know anywhere around here a guy can play some Chohan?
Chohan, huh? Yeah, I think there's a joint in the Champion District. Heard their exclusive is all fuck.
You actually know a place? Could you maybe tell me the name?
I could, sure, but
But what?
check her out. That chick's got the goods, right?
Sure. I guess she's got goods. What's your point?
I want to have a drink with her. Can you make introductions for me?
I
Astagfirullahaladzim.
have to be your wingman?
Good-looking guy like you's got a better chance of sealing the deal, right? I mean, look at me.
Ugh, I can't believe this. You better tell me if I do this for you.
Of course, man.
Oke. Berarti kita coba tanya ke dia. Sebelum itu, mumpung di sini kan gratisan. Lu bisa minum gak? Oh bisa. Oh udah nggak bisa ya? Udah. Oke, let's go.
Mind if I join you?
Please, take a seat.
You come here often?
Salah
You
pencet lagi
can.
gua.
There's 3 things I love in life. Stiff drinks, risky bets, and handsome men.
Oh, yeah?
Just once. I want someone to seduce me, like they do in the movies.
Okay. Can I buy you a drink?
Make it a martini. A gambling woman's drink.
Let me guess. Vodka martini. Shaken, not stirred.
Right you are. You're a bigger movie buff than I expected.
Mind if I buy you one? My friend will probably want to join us too.
Oh, you only want to drink?
Huh?
I just told you I'm in the gambling mood. So, what do you say we spice things up a bit?
Jangan bilang kita harus
Here's the deal.
ikut gambling.
I'll drink with you, if you beat me at poker.
Okay, it's a deal.
Oke, kita harus menang nih. Ih,
Well, are you ready?
oke, siap.
Yeah, let's do it.
Kita keluar uang lagi nih.
Oh, this should be good.
Kita harus menang. Jadi pas kita menang kita baru keluar. Chip gue selamat. Udah deh, kita coba gambling di sini deh. Sembilannya ada. C Q Q C. Bisa sini. Kalau ini 8 atau king, kita menang. Aduh, Q lagi. Tuper ya ini ya. Kita coba deh. Please, please, please. Jadi nggak sih ini? Please, sesuai keinginan. Baby. Koki bet gue. Gimana? Gue ingetnya itu.
Seems I lost.
I got lucky.
Yes, Lady Luck seems to prefer her men. And I suppose I can't blame her. And I'm a woman of my word.
The drinks are on me.
Wonderful.
Ntar ya.
Hey, why are you the one having all the fun?
She agreed to drink with us after a game. Now go grab some seats.
Wait, seriously? I owe you for this, man!
You're damn right you do. I need to know where I can play Chohan, remember?
Oh, yeah. It's in the Champion District. Only shop without a sign, you can't miss it.
Bar with no sign.
Oke.
Knock on the shutter 3 times, and they'll ask you what you want. You respond with the password, "Can I talk to Moon?"
Knock 3 times, then the password.
Next, they'll say, "He says he wants the steak," to which you respond,
Tiga.
"Chateaubriand Blue." And that's it.
Blue.
Joint's
Stick blue.
underground, but clearly that ain't a problem for you.
Tik
Thanks.
blue.
That's a
Yang
huge help.
pertama.
Now let's
Moon.
get drinking.
Actually, I think I'm gonna have to pass. I need to go.
You're lost, pal. An ass like that is a once-in-a-lifetime deal.
Oh
Aduh.
yeah, she likes vodka martinis. Order it shaken, not stirred.
Knock 3. Moon.
The hell's
Stick
that supposed to mean?
Blue. Moon. Stick blue. Kita ingat-ingat yang belakangnya aja ya. Weh,
Yo.
hello Kaito.
Kaito-san.
Sugiura told me you'd be here. So, you find out where Hamura is?
Yep, a gambling hall in the Champion District.
Really? Where at?
3.
Apparently the only store without a sign. It's
Stick
got the
blue.
club set up underground.
Huh, fancy. By the way, Talk, what happens when you find Hamura?
The first thing I'm gonna do is vent. After everything he's done, he deserves it. If I'm honest, I'd take more joy in seeing him squirm than finding the mole right about now.
Glad we're on the same page.
Let's go.
Oke. Bentar. Di sini ada kodenya nggak? Nggak ada. Nothing dong. Oke, 3 bulan, stick, sama blue belakangnya. Udah itu. Gue inget. Kalau inget full text susah tuh. Ah, here we go again.
Really?
Masa yang gue khawatirkan habis ini nih. Mana Kaito? Sekarang dia bantuin. Duh. Gokil lah. Banyak bedah. Baru aja keluar. Bisa diambil gitu. Oke. Banyak bedah. Baik, kayak itu. Sini dulu. Oke. Aduh. Ada polisi lagi. Allah. Ini kayak itu nggak bantu sama sekali.
Hey, what are you doing?
God. Dikejar-kejaran gini. Ini sih. Yang penting jangan sampai ketahuan polisi dah. Battle paling lama itu sampai ketahuan polisi juga. Sabar ya. Itu juga masih ada begundal-gundal ini. Kita kelarin dulu aja deh. Halo my friend. Ya, dia lagi. Ingat darah. Gua nggak bisa sembarangan juga nih sekarang. Jurus kayak itu lumayan tuh. Sip. Let's go. Kabelnya buang-buang waktu nih gua. Sip. Aduh. Wah, let's go kayak itu. Kelar tuh.
Can't stay down.
Gue lebih banyak kelamaan di itu sih nanti paling. Oh, not bad.
Good stuff.
Oke. Banyak tempat sih harus kita kelarin makanan-makanan ini. Let's go. Moon 3 kali, Moon Stick Blue. Semoga aja nggak ada tambahan itu ya, kata-kata ya. Tempatnya tanpa sign lagi. Oke. Tanpa sign. Coba kita keliling sini. Pojok-pojokan dulu. Nothing.
Yo, hold up.
Hmm?
I don't see a sign anywhere. This where we get in the gambling hall? Way to go.
Kayak kita coba. 3 blue. Tiga Moon Stick Blue.
What do you want?
Oke, ini nih Moon. Oke. Can I talk the Moon?
Can I talk to Moon?
Says he wants steak. Pick one for him.
Nah ini sticknya nih. Pokoknya belakang stick tapi koma. Ah goddamn. Seinget gue blue sih.
Chateaubriand.
Let's go.
Blue.
Thank you for your order. Enjoy your meal.
Nice going, Doc.
Susah juga. Agak susah. Gue kira
I could go for a steak now.
udah kan tadi. Bener-bener tempatnya tersembunyi banget nih. Oh, gue harus nambah darah nih.
Ready? Here we go.
All right, place your bets. Come on, last call. All right, I got one over here. Anyone taking even? I got it even. All right, come on, let's go.
Oh, gambling kayak gini.
Go already. Hurry up.
I see. Hello.
Bets down. All right, let's go. Show it. Yes! There we go! 2-2, even. Oh, I'm on fucking fire tonight. Hell yeah, Captain. We're just getting started.
Hey! Watch your fucking feet!
Hello, my friend.
Fucking serious? Get the fuck out of here!
Such a small world, isn't it? You're not exactly an easy man to find.
Shit. Ozaki.
Oke, yuk. Let's go.
Again, huh? Ready, Doc?
Akhirnya ketemu nih orang. Wow. Banyak juga ya. Oke, minggu satu. Ini rocok-rocoknya dulu deh. Allah. Nggak sakit juga nih. Darahnya 3 lipat lagi. 3 lapis dah. Oke. Banyak bedah rocok-rocoknya. Yuk kurangin satu-satu. Duh. Sip. Nah, enak nih. Let's go. Makan tuh Ozaki. Sorry. Sakit tuh tangan. No. Okay, let's go. Aduh. Angle kamera gua jelek banget. Halo, Jackie. Itu sumpah paling tipis masalahnya itu. Let's go. Biar cepet. Let's go. Ai. Makan nih. Tapi dari gue sekarang banget sih itu. Ternyata cuma segini loh, Pemi.
You done yet? Or do you want me to keep hitting you?
Oh, fuck you.
You hired the thief that stole the money from the office that day. It was all just a setup, wasn't it, Hamura? What, memories eluding you? But it's all water under the bridge, isn't it? Now that I can do this.
What about the mole? Everything he does is under your command, huh? How many people has the mole murdered? All those Kyorei guys? Shintani? No way those are the only ones. Shintani, before he got murdered, was so sure the mole wasn't part of some Yakuza war. He wouldn't have said that without information to support it. And so, you had to silence him. Made the mole use Ayabe's gun to hide the trail.
Like hell I did.
Shintani knew your secret. He knew the mole murders were linked to the ADDC. All this comes right back to 89, doesn't it?
Shove it up your ass! Now hands off, or I'm gonna fucking kill you!
You seriously never listen, huh? Hamura.
The center's director, Kido. Is he the one who's behind all this carnage? Is it Kido?
Oh enggak jawab dia.
Is that not right?
Start talking quick, asshole. Not feeling it, huh? Then how about I kill you right here?
Kaito-san!
Sabar, slow.
Kido's not our guy.
Berarti tinggal satu orang lagi dong.
And the phone call. When Shintani tried to reach the center, he wasn't trying to talk to Director Kido at all.
It does seem we received a phone call from this Shintani-san you speak of.
Do you know who he was calling?
Dr. Shona.
I see.
Hashiki, too. He was trying to get information out of Shono until someone got to him. So the one I want... It's Shono, huh?
Prediksinya ketahuan tuh.
Right, Hamura?
Hey! Fire! Fire!
Guess someone's got it out for us, huh, Talk?
Siapa nih? Ini orang ternyata.
Kaito-san!
Oh, goddamn. Oke, berarti kita sudah mengetahui nih di balik Hamura yaitu ya si Sono itu tadi, bukan Kaido yang kita kira-kira nih. Karena bisa dibilang yang pertama kita cari kan Kido. Pas kita cari tahu ke Kido, ternyata telepon dari Shintanin kan mengarah ke dia, malah mengarah ke Sono. Soalnya kita mau cari informasi itu di Hamura kan. Apakah benar Kido? Dan ternyata jawabannya,
Well, looks like his shithead boys took him out of here.
nah berarti misterinya tinggal satu nih.
Holy hell.
Target kita kan
I'm
udah
just
tahu.
glad we're still alive.
Target kita pertama sekarang udah tahu Sono. Karena udah kelihatan dari freeze-nya Hamura. Tinggal satu hal lagi yang belum kita ketahui. Itu apakah Hamura yang membunuh Kasiki atau ada orang lain di balik itu? Itu yang masih belum kita ketahui kan. Kalau The Mole
The
yang
Mole was Hamura's personal underworld assassin. With a mounting threat behind them, Yagami and Kaito were forced to cut ties with Matsugane. And the two set foot down a path of no return. Finally, the name of a mastermind bubbles to the surface. The man is an AD9 researcher, Yoji Shono.
Smoke continues to billow out of the Champion District fire as we speak. The apparent cause is a small explosion which took place in a covert gambling hall not long ago. Eyewitnesses claim they heard the sound of explosives being detonated in the establishment. However, the building was deserted by the time firefighters and police arrived on the scene. With the horror of gang violence still fresh in our minds, the incident only raises tension across the city.
Sounds like the plan didn't go so well.
They were desperate. Still, we did manage to talk to Hamura.
Which is how you found out Shono was the one giving him orders, right? Not Director Kido.
Yeah, at least that's a look he was giving us.
You can tell that just from a look?
Give me a break. I don't know how else to put it.
Well, I guess that look is all we have to go off.
Wait, did you come to taunt me or help me?
Don't be mean, Yagami-san. Of course I came to help.
Help how?
I found someone who's an expert on AD9. Looking into that research paper might be our best shot at finding more leads. And I don't know about you, but I can't understand a word of what it says.
Yeah, same.
But I found somebody who can.
siapa tuh?
I'm impressed. Good work, Hoshino-kun.
Just don't get mad, okay?
Mad? Why would I get mad?
Well, the expert I found, it's Hattori-san, the journalist you kind of hate.
What?
Please, he's written a lot of articles on 89 and has interviewed all the top medical researchers.
That guy? Seriously? This has got to be some kind of joke.
He said he'd tell us what we want to know, if you asked him nicely.
Yeah, you know what? Let's drop it. I don't care about the paper.
Yagami-san.
What?
That research could contain vital information for this case we're building. This isn't an opportunity we can afford to miss.
But if we ask him for help now, he's gonna want something in return later.
Hattori-san's waiting for you at Kyushu #1 star. Apparently he's doing a story on them. Come on, Yagami-san. Get going.
Ya udahlah, mau nggak mau. Duh. Itu lagi. Ah. Wah, lembar 5.000 lagi. Gue cari itu sih. Ability kalau kita makan itu nggak harus nunggu darah itu berkurang. Logo itu ada pas di off the record. Di ability sih harusnya. Coba kita cek deh. Enggak. Bukan. Berarti paling ability yang ada di sini nih. Nih, bottom stomach. You have not met proper condition. Find kill book somewhere in the city. Aduh, perbukuan ya. Di quest starter ada bisa cari nggak? Brand offer. Oh, gue bisa nih. Cure art. Oke. Gue paling akan cari ini sih. Jadi, bentar ya. Ini skill ini yang harus gue tambah. Mana cure art? Oke. Dan
Do I seriously have to go alone for this?
Yes, Hattori-san is making time especially for you.
ya udahlah.
There's no
Kalau
reason for me to come along. Just imagine you're going for a nice bowl of ramen. You'll be done before you know it.
oke. Dia ingin ketemu dengan kita. Halo.
いらっしゃいませ。
Enggak.
ありがとうございました。
Gue mau ngobrol sama dia tapi nggak bisa. Harus ada beberapa kondisi masalahnya. Gue penasaran.
What's up?
Oke. Kim Won Soon. Berarti dari Korea nih.
What should I do?
Hey!
Hey.
So,
Dessert sih. Ini. Tapi sistemnya paling kalau mau per mangkok gitu loh. Jadi pas habis bisa refill. Jangan dikasih yang benar-benar full free gitu. Kayak ke Kyushu number 1. Kayak ya biar cepet. Dia nyerangnya cuma sekali doang.
What a waste.
Oke. Gue sekalian kelarin ini deh biar nggak terlalu lama juga. Ya, biar nggak terlalu lama. Lawan Honda ya. Oke, let's go. Oke. Ngapain dia? Boom. Aduh. Aduh. Gue tahu lu mau mukul gitu. Ini enak deh makan. Allah. Ya. Dia harus pakai yang single sih. Susah pakai yang bukan single. Allah. Hancur. Hancur. Posisinya gak enak banget. Wah, nantangin dia. No. Wah. Agak susah bedah. Kok jadi ribet gini? Aduh. Gue harus pakai ini deh. Nggak mau. Bahaya. Habis bahan-bahan gue. Boncos nih gua.
Really, guys?
Sumpah lawan dia paling susah sih. Dari lumayan juga gua.
Yagami-san. Huh?
Hey.
So,
Oke. Lumayan. Nah, kelar juga akhirnya. Tinggal ke Kyushu nih, habis ini. Kayaknya Kyushu itu lebih dekat deh dari kantornya Yagami daripada tempat tadi.
Ya.
Tambah nggak duit kita? Enggak. Kayak waktunya kita ke Kyushu. Kenapa ke sini? Itu mah off the record aja yang ini. Oh, halo. Siapa ini yang di tempat kecil ini? Oh, si dia. Sip. Gua malas lawan dia. Tempatnya sempit masalahnya. Gua nambah dulu aja deh. Penuh. Nah ini. Jadi lapar gue ngeliat ini. Oke. Oh, nambah duit dia. Oke. Waktunya ke Kyushu. Kalau nggak terlalu lama nanti. Set case-nya bisa kita kelarin yang lain sih. Paling nanti off the record ya, kalau ada waktu gua ke mereka ini sih.
Must we? Really, guys?
Bye-bye. QR code. Ada kan? Oke, Kyushu lewat bawah sih. Paling ketemu begundal-begundal lagi nanti. Oh, cuma dia doang. Duh. Apa nih kita dapat?
And stay down.
Tin wire not bad. Oh, ada shortcast nih. Berarti habis ini kita bisa ke sana tuh. Nggak jadi. Oke. Rasanya nggak masalah, tapi oke. Sudah 4 menit sih bisa sini. Cuma ngomong sama Hattori dong. Ini sih. Meskipun rasa menang, tapi kalau tampilannya kurang ya orang lain kurang juga sih. Ini lagi foto ramen ya? Oke, tinggal dikit lagi. Nah, benernya naik aja deh. Di rumah kan ada itu. Aduh.
Tori-san.
Oh, I didn't notice you there, Yagami-san.
Don't tell me you're using a phone camera to take pictures for your article.
Resolution on these things is plenty high nowadays. You have a problem?
Not really, no. Just didn't know sensationalist food columns were a thing.
I only report on things that interest me. That's my professional philosophy.
Well, is it gonna take a while? I'm here to talk.
Don't worry. I'll be done soon.
Oke. Sambil nunggu makan bentuk bisa nggak? Bisa makan lagi sama dia.
Alright, I'm done. Thanks for stopping by, Yagami-san.
Udah mau ngobrol di mana nih?
Kinda strange sharing a bowl of ramen with you. I thought the day would never come.
Can you not?
Relax, Yagami-san.
Are you still working for Kajihira?
I'm not sure I'd go that far. He just calls me in for favors every now and again. Helps to be on good terms with the guy. For my job, you know?
Uh-huh.
It'd be nice to be close with you, too, Yagami-san. I heard you were the one who discovered Shintani-sensei's corpse, after all.
I'm here to talk 89. If that's not what this is about, I'm not sticking around.
All right. But you'll owe me for this.
Oke lah, ya yang penting kita dapat informasi tentang 89 itu apa? Nah, kan kita
Generally, drug development starts with the discovery of a compound that can treat a given disease. That compound becomes the candidate for a drug. They then test its effects on animals, after which the drug heads to clinical trials. Which is a nicer way of saying human experimentation, by the way. As for the process, it can take years, sometimes even longer, to ensure a drug is truly safe for public consumption.
Yeah, it's tough, I get it.
Before now, Alzheimer's drugs have only been able to slow the progress of the disease. None can cure it completely. But Director Keto's 89 proved remarkably effective at doing just that when tested on mice. If it can work on humans as well, maybe we can finally kiss Alzheimer's goodbye. At least, that's what the paper they published a year ago claimed.
Interesting.
Yagami-san. In this country, 1 in 4 people over the age of 80 is affected by dementia. That means for a couple in their 50s, there's a good chance that one of their parents has it. And the odds that one member of that couple will develop it themselves is 50-50. No matter how you look at it, dementia is an inescapable issue. If I ever experienced symptoms myself, I'd go to the doctor straight away. In some cases, they can slow the progress enough that you can even keep working. I guess my point is, dementia is not something to fear. It's a possibility to prepare for. Our biggest enemy is ignorance and apathy. Kinda reminds me of someone.
Yeah, if you say so.
Good. I'd like to give you a rundown of what exactly Alzheimer's is then. You interested?
Ya, mau apa lagi? Kita mau cari tahu tentang A-D9 kan. A-D9 itu apa?
Well, you're gonna, even if I say no, right?
You bet I would. Now let's begin. Out of all the diseases that can cause dementia, Alzheimer's accounts for roughly 70% of cases. It's believed to be brought about by buildup of a protein called amyloid beta in the brain. When that happens, nerve cells start dying off and the brain begins to atrophy.
So to put this in layman's terms, waste buildup kind of shrinks the brain.
That's one way to put it, yes. But even that is just a theory at this point. There's still much to learn about Alzheimer's.
And when your brain shrinks?
Your memory is impaired. Let me explain. There are 3 processes involved in memory: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Alzheimer's impairs the first step, encoding. This makes it near impossible to remember new things. I'll give you an example that stuck with me. When doctors asked a dementia patient the date, they had no problem producing the correct answer. But when asked the year, the patient said 1952. Their mind was stuck decades in the past. You see, dementia not only inhibits new memories, but jumbles the ones you already have as well.
Okay.
I think I understand.
Good.
So how exactly does 89 cure Alzheimer's?
According to their research, when they injected 89 into the test mice, it brought about a process known as autophagy.
Which is what?
It's a Greek word that means self-devouring. That's what your body starts to do to its own proteins. In other words, all the amyloid beta built up in the mice's brains began to instantly break down.
Instantly?
Yes, and once it was all gone, their Alzheimer's stopped progressing entirely. The most shocking thing is that even brain cells which had lost function were able to recover. As one researcher put it, it's as though the brain turns on a backup generator. If they can bring about similar effects in humans,
they'll have a cure for Alzheimer's.
That's right. There are millions of patients worldwide, and that number is growing steadily every day. If they actually complete this drug, it could truly change the world as we know it. It's nothing short of a dream drug for both buyers and sellers.
Ya, jika itu kebenarannya.
If you ask me, it sounds too good to be true.
Excuse me?
I mean, the vice director of the ADDC suspected something fishy was going on with it. But when he started digging around, someone offed him to keep their secret safe. Made it look like a brawl so nobody'd get suspicious.
What kind of secret are we talking?
like the drug's effects being falsified.
No, there's no chance of that.
Huh? How do you know?
Since the announcement of AD9, countless animal tests have proven successful. It's no fabrication. One test after another, they've proven its viability.
And you're sure?
Yes. I'm of the mind they should push forward faster, even if the paper was a little rough around the edges. After all, dementia drugs are being developed all around the world. It would be a shame if someone beat them to the punch, both for the ADDC and for Japan. Kido-san is far too cautious. This is no time to be testing on animals. They need to move to clinical trials and get this thing out.
Dengan bilang
By which you mean
human
Experimenting
experiment.
on humans.
human experimentation. Wait.
What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. Just, are you absolutely sure there's nothing off about 89?
I guess there is an interesting detail I noticed.
Hmm?
Kido-san is listed as the sole author of the 89 research. But in truth, he only put his name on the paper to lend it credibility. The key researcher was someone else entirely. A guy you know too, man by the name of Shono.
So the one I want. It's Shono, huh? So you're saying Shono's the creator of 89?
Seems so. The paper would never have gained such worldwide traction without Kido-san, though. They needed a leading expert to rubber stamp the research and make it seem more official. That kind of thing is pretty common, though. Not really a cause for concern.
Oke.
Shono, what's your role in all of this?
Oke. Berarti nambah ya sekarang. Oh, udah kelar. Nice. Oke teman-teman, di next video kita akan review case-nya. Nah sebelum review paling kita akan mampir ke sini. Dan ya setelah itu baru kita ke kantornya kami. Oke. Mungkin kita bisa review bentar ya, karena pertama kan kita udah ketemu Hamura tapi Hamuranya bebas, dan kita coba tanya dia siapa yang mengirim dia. Kido. Dia dengan tenangnya ketawa. Setelah kita berpikir-pikir, kita coba tanya Sono, ekspresi dia berubah. Berarti mengirim dia Sono. Oke, pertama. Yang kedua, kita sudah tahu tentang AD9 ini, dan ya yang dikasih tahu Hattori kan pertama, obat itu berhasil dengan eksperimen ke hewan, dan obat itu kan harusnya lebih cepat lagi untuk mau beredar kan. Yang belum mereka lakukan adalah human experiment. Apakah obat tersebut digunakan untuk orang-orang yang meninggal ini, yang bisa dibilang para Kyorei Clan ini, yaitu Masiba, Yasuo, sama Kume, dan juga Waku, karena Waku juga salah satu yang kena itu Alzheimer. Atau ada hal lain juga yang masih disembunyikan, karena obat itu masih belum ada bukti bahwa human eksperimennya berhasil kan. Ini kita lihat aja di next video seperti apa seperti apa kelanjutannya, dan kita juga masih belum tahu ya. Kita masih mengandai-andai jika dalang dibalik ini apakah AD9 ataukah ada hal lain yang kita belum ketahui. Oke, terima kasih sudah menonton video dan sampai jumpa di video yang berikutnya. Dadah. See you.